In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Drive link to share files quickly and safely. This is one of the easiest ways to send documents, folders, photos, and other files without attaching them directly to an email. Instead of uploading the same file over and over again, you can simply generate a shareable link and send it to anyone you want. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser on your computer and go to drive.google.com. Once the Google Drive page loads, sign in with the Google account that contains the file you want to share. After you're signed in, you'll land on your Google Drive home screen. From here, click on My Drive so you can browse the files stored in your account. Now locate the file you want to share. You can use the search bar if you have a lot of files, or just scroll through your folders until you find the exact one. Once you've found it, select the file by clicking on it one time. Next, go to the top menu and click Share. This opens the sharing settings for that file, where you can control who has access and what they're allowed to do. In the General Access section, you'll usually see that it's set to Restricted by default. If you want to create a shareable link that anyone can open, click the drop-down and change it to Anyone with the link. This is the key step that turns your file into a link you can send to others. If you only want specific people to access the file, you can leave it on Restricted and enter their email addresses instead. After that, look at the permissions on the right side. Here, you can choose the role for the people who receive the link. If you want them to only view the file, choose Viewer. If you want them to be able to leave comments, choose Commenter. And if you want them to make changes, choose Editor, but only use that if you trust the people you're sharing with. Once the access and permissions are set the way you want, click Copy Link. Google Drive will copy the shareable link to your clipboard instantly. After that, click Done to save your settings and close the sharing window. Now all you have to do is paste the link into an email, a message, a document, or wherever you need to share it. The person who gets the link can open the file based on the access you selected, and that's it. You've successfully created a Google Drive link to share files. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.